Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Science Olympiad test paper for class 5, year 2016, set B. Kids, this is second part of this paper as first 25 questions are uploaded in previous video. Please watch that video also. Question number 26. When the iodine test is performed on the leaf of a well-watered croton plant, put an airy and well-lit place. The leaf shows patches of blue, black and colorless areas. This is so because option A. Croton is a desert plant where only stem performs photosynthesis. B. Croton plant cannot make its food in presence of direct light. C. Croton leaves are patterned and have chlorophyll in some areas only. D. The experiment has not been done carefully. And the right answer is option C. Question number 27. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. In column 1, vitamins, roughage, minerals, proteins, fats. We know that vitamins helps us in fight disease. That is A to 3. And we have only C option where A is connected to 3. That means our answer is option C. Let's check others. Roughage. Roughage helps in removal of feces. So B is 5. Minerals, formation in bones. C is 2. Protein, build muscles. D 5. And fats keeps our body warm. So our answer is option C. Question number 28. An experiment was carried out with water by a group of people and the given graph was plotted to show their results. What processes are taking place between PQ, QR and RS? Here P to R temperature is increasing to 100 degrees centigrade. So this process is heating and Q to R temperature is same as 100 degrees centigrade and water starts boiling at 100 degrees centigrade. So Q to R is boiling. Then temperature is decreasing R to S. So it is cooling process. So our answer is option D. Heating, boiling and cooling. Question number 29. X is an animal that lays eggs and take care of its eggs and hatch young ones till they become able to survive on their own. Y is an animal that lays eggs and leaves them on their own. Now select the option that correctly identifies X and Y. Here X is frog, snake, lizard, pigeon. All lays eggs, so X can be anyone. But in Y, rat does not lay eggs, so option A is incorrect. Rabbit does not lay eggs, it's also incorrect. Crocodile lays eggs, but it takes care of its young ones, so it's not our answer. Salmon does not take care of its young ones, so our answer is option D. Question number 30. Rohit prepared two mixtures as given below. Identify the separation methods that can be used to obtain the components of mixture X and Y separately. X is salt plus water and Y is sand plus water. We know that salt dissolves in water, so it can't be separate with filtration. So our A can't be our answer and C can't be our answer. Now let's check for another. Salt can be separate from distillation. So B and C can be its answer. And Y sand plus water. we can separate sand from water from the filtration method. So our answer is option D. Question number 31. The given table classifies disease into two groups on the basis of some similarity. Select the disease that can be placed at X. Group 1, diabetes, allergy, anemia. Group 2, tuberculosis, X, and measles. And the right answer is option B, typhoid. Question number 32. The given box lists some animals. Which two of them have same respiratory organs? Tadpole, shark, frog, dolphin, grasshopper, lizard, mosquito, salmon. And grasshopper and mosquito have same respiratory organs. So our answer is option B, fifth and seventh only. Question number 33. Which ramp setup will require the highest amount of force for the skater to move up on it? And the right answer is option A. Question number 34. The couple shown here belongs to the state which is located in dash India. A. Eastern, B. Northern, C. Western, D. Southern. And the right answer is option C, Western. Question number 35. A cooking method which does not involve use of oil is dash. Option A, frying nuggets. Option B, steaming rice. Option C, boiling eggs. Option D, both A and C. And the right answer is option D, both B and C. Question number 36. Select an option that correctly compares the features of natural and synthetic fibers. Here are natural fiber and this is synthetic fiber. Option A, waterproof, non-waterproof. This is incorrect because natural fibers are not waterproof. Option B, wrinkle-free. This is also incorrect. Option C, quick drying. This is incorrect. So our answer is option D, none of these. Question number 37. Neetu set up an experiment as shown here. This is sand in a box and a thermometer. This is water in box and this is thermometer. What will be the level of mercury in thermometers placed in beaker X and Y after 30 minutes? In 30 minutes, the temperature of sand will increase, but the temperature of water remains almost same. So our answer is option B. Question number 38. 5 objects A, B, C, D and E of the same volume but different masses are put into a tank of water as shown here. Which of the following is most likely to be the mass of object D? We know that any object removes water around according to its mass. So the mass of the object D must be between 52 gram and 75 gram. So that is our answer is 64 gram. Question number 39. The movement of the joint present between our thigh bone and shin bone can be compared to the movement of dash. Option A, door hinges. B, joystick. C, pestle in a motor. D, none of these. And the right answer is option D, door hinges. Question number 40. X reproduces with the help of tiny structures called spores. It gets its foods from decaying matter? It is a option A fern, B mushroom, C mango, D alga. And the right answer is option B mushroom. Question number 41. Study the given table. Plant K, herbivorous L and M, carnivorous N and P, omnivorous Q and R. Which of the following food webs correctly shows the food relationships of some organisms in the table above? In option A, K feeds on, L feeds on K, and R feeds on L. That is, K is a plant, R is eating L and K. That is, R is omnivore. It is correct. P is eating R. That means this option is correct. So our answer is option A. If we check others, we can see that in this Q is eating M and Q is eating K. That is correct. But L feeds on K and L feeds on M. That is incorrect because L is a herbivore. So it is incorrect. Same you can check in others. Our answer is option A. Question number 42. Ajay filled a bottle up to the rim with water and placed it in the freezer. What he saw after a few hours is shown in the figure given here. What does it show? Here it is bottle filled with water up to the rim. And when it was in freezer for few hours, the ice come out from its mouth. That means option A, freezing decreases mass of water. Option B, freezing compresses water. C, freezing increases volume of water. Option D, freezing increases mass of water. And right answer is option C, freezing increases volume of water. Question number 43. In case of heat stroke, what should be done immediately? Option A. Cover the patient with any cloth, preferably with woolen cloth. Option B. Give the patient a solution of salt, sugar and lime, or preferably juice of an unripe mango. C. Make the patient lie down in a sunny place. Option D. Give hot tea or coffee to the patient. And the right answer is option B. Question number 44. Which of the following events will result in a decrease in the population of butterflies? 1. Increase in the population of birds. 2. Increase in the supply of water fertilizers. 3. Reduction in the number of flowering plants. 4. Increased use of insecticides by man in gardens. Here, first is correct, increase in the population of birds. Second is correct, increase in the supply of plant fertilizers. And fourth is correct, increased use of insecticides by man in the gardens. So our answer is option B. Question number 45. Study the given diagram. What can the bus driver do to reduce the pollution caused by his bus? Option A. Send the bus for servicing more regularly. Option B. Tie a plastic bag around the exhaust pipe. Option C. Use a bigger exhaust pipe. D. Put a silencer at the exhaust pipe. And the right answer is option A. Send the bus for servicing more regularly. Question number 46. Refer to the given diagrams L, M and N showing three states of matter. The arrows P, Q, R and S represent process involved in the interchange of state of matter. Identify P, Q, R and S. This is L is gaseous state because the molecules are far from each other. M is liquid state and N is solid state. So if we check P, P is from liquid to gaseous state, that is it is evaporation. So B and D can be our answer. A and C is cancelled. Now let's check others. S is from gas to liquid, that is condensation. So only option D has evaporation as P and S as condensation. So our answer is option D. Question number 47. Read the given passage. Deep inside the earth there is hot molten rock called P which comes up and collects in chamber. When the pressure in the chamber builds up, P finds a release through an opening or a crack in the crust of the earth called volcano. It is called Q. The eruption contains gases, pieces of rock and Q that comes out from R. An outlet in the earth's surface, Q and ash that are thrown out collect and after repeated eruption from the mountain on cooling down, the hollow top of the mountainous volcano is shaped like a bowl called S. Select the correct option regarding it. A. The release of Q is always very violent and it comes out with an explosion. B. The intense pressure inside the earth pushes P toward the surface of the earth and generally P cools just below the earth's surface and then hardens to form igneous rock. C. Releases of Q from R causes global warming. In option A, the release of Q is always very violent and it comes out with an explosion. This is incorrect because sometimes it comes out silently. So B and C are both are correct. So our answer is option D, both B and C. Question number 48. A wooden rod is attached to a wooden disc to form a support structure as shown in figure P. And then three metal rings X, Y and Z are placed above the wooden disc as shown in figure Q. Which of the following conditions can be true regarding the given setup? A. Rings X and Y are both magnets with their opposite poles facing each other. B. Both Y and Z are magnets while X is a magnetic material. C. Rings Y and Z are both magnets with their similar poles facing each other. X and Y are connected so they can be they both can be magnets and their opposite face are attracted so it is option A is correct, can be correct. Both Y and Z are magnets while X is a magnetic material. Yes, this can be true. Rings Y and Z are both magnets with their similar poles facing each other. Yes, this is also can be correct because Y and Z are far away from each other without any support in between. So all of these is the our answer. Question number 49. Study the given flow chart. Object, definite volume, no, that is X. Definite volume, yes. Definite shape, no, that is Y. That means X is a gas, Y is a liquid, and Z has definite volume, definite shape, that is Z is a solid. In options Only nitrogen is a gas in option C, so our answer is option C. If we check other, Y is a liquid, syrup is a liquid, and Z is a solid, that is vas is a solid. So answer C is correct. Question number 50. Mr. Bhatt plowed a field and killed all the weeds. He left plants P, Q, R and S growing on one side of the field and then left the field untouched for 1 month. As he went out of the city, the wind blew in the same direction for the whole month. When he returned, this is what he saw. Which one of the plants P, Q, R and S is likely to have its seeds dispersed by wind? These are plants P, Q, R, S, and when Mr. Butt returned, he saw this setup. So, if we see these clearly, we can see that the plants Q dispersed far away from the parent plant. That means option Q, the plant Q dispersed by wind. So our answer is option B, Q. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for new video.